Good afternoon, traders. Nick Massandreo, Market Tea Leaves. Just wanted to give you a brief video on why the Dow rose again. It is Monday afternoon at a little after 4 p.m. on the East Coast. I just wanted to talk about what happened today during the trading day. As you can see, basically from this chart, the Dow rose 38 points, and pretty much most of the other indices rose as well. But if we were to take a look at an intraday chart of the Dow, we would see that for most of the day, the Dow was pretty much in negative territory. This shows an intraday chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and it wasn't until around 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon that the Dow actually rose above parity. So between 9:30 to 2:30 in the afternoon, it was pretty much below its close from Friday, and over the last hour and a half or so, it did rise. Now, the question is, how and why did that happen? Well, let's take a look at a few things. And again, this ties in with market correlation. This is an active chart of the US dollar. And again, it's around 4:10 in the afternoon on Monday. The US dollar actually dropped in value by 68 ticks. This is very, very bullish for the indices. It's very bullish for the markets. If we take a look at the financials, again, the financials dropped in value, which again is bullish for the markets. If we were to take a look at the indices themselves, the indices of course rose, as did the Dow Jones Industrial Average this afternoon. And also if we take a look at metals, specifically gold, well, gold did have a slight increase at the close, but intraday, during the course of the day, it actually rose in value. This is important because this morning we had mentioned that this was going to be an outlier. In other words, it was trading down, and we didn't really know if whether or not it was going to go up in value or switch gears with the US dollar, which eventually it did. If we take a look at oil, oil's been trading down most of the day today. In fact, it was trading below $90 a barrel for the first time this entire calendar year. It dropped to a low of around 89.33. This is for the April contract on oil. We'll have to see how this works for us tomorrow. But basically, this kind of gives you an idea as to how and why the markets rose. When financials rise, meaning currencies, U.S. dollar in particular, and the bonds, the indices will fall. And again, if they drop, which they did here, the indices will rise in value, just as they did. Thanks, hope this helps, and look forward to the next time with you.